Hello, good morning. So today is gonna be a little crazy. I have a TV segment on Thursday, so I've been planning that and emailing the producers, trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing and mapping that all out. It's like a 5 to 6 minute segment, and then I also am trying to make a new recipe. I'm gonna be doing like a asparagus beet salad thing, but I'm not really even sure where that's gonna go. So I have to go pick up groceries in about 30 minutes. Eric's just gonna help me bring them up from the car. I ordered them from Whole Foods because of COVID. And then I'm gonna be basically just filming 2 videos tonight. So it's gonna be a long day. That's why I have this though. I'm almost out of it. Sending over changes for Rico. Stocked fridge. Look how stocked. Makes me happy. Perk of grating cheese, especially Parmesan Reggiano, that's so difficult and makes your arm sore. Just snacking on it. So I'm prepping for my pasta with oil and garlic recipe. Grating lots and lots of cheese. I'm about to start and I'm scared. And tons of garlic. And some Kardashians. So I just set up for my pasta with oil and garlic. I got some dishes to do, and this is definitely the key to dishwashing in the winter. Lots and lots of lotion. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, and then I'm gonna start prepping for the sugar cookie recipe. I have trouble saying that. Sugar cookie. Sugar cookie. Experimenting with an asparagus recipe, and I just got done peeling all the stems. Aren't they so pretty? Just me and the shallots here, trying to get through, and I have my air purifier so I can see. So I'm writing down all the amounts here, keep adding to this list. LOL, I have all stuff ready for filming, but over here, I'm experimenting with the salad here, mixing up a little Dijon mustard dressing, and this is what's been making me cry. I'm trying to see if this picture is gonna be good over in the natural light. I'm kind of at our desk space in the middle of our living room, but it is what it is. And I have these mats here that really help, so I can change the background of the pictures, but I'm gonna try it in natural light, and then I'm gonna try it in the stage light. Another lighting stitch. I use this backdrop to reflect the light, and then this to mimic the sun. So I worked out, I showered, and it's 5:30 right now, so Eric's almost done working today, and I put on a little top here to film, and it's so funny, I always wear leggings on the bottom, but I need to blow dry my hair and then start prepping for 6 o'clock film. So it's been a very long day. It is 6:15. We're gonna start filming sugar cookies. See, I can't say it. It's sugar cookies. And a quick little simple garlic olive oil pasta. Eric had a long day at work. He's just trying to get a little workout in. And I'm just writing down some notes so I remember what to say. Just final touches. Missing a light here. Eric's gonna get that, the blanket that's drying. So, feeling a little cranky. Eric and I just got done filming the 2 recipes, and I'm wiping off makeup, by the way. I'm not crying, although I feel like I should be. And it is almost 10. We haven't had dinner yet. And for some reason, my sugar cookies didn't spread out in the oven. They were like super fat and thick. And we made them 3 times. And that's my tomorrow now. Just trying to figure it out. So, signing off. Hi guys. So it is now 2 o'clock next day. And I spent the morning actually, I made 8 batches of sugar cookies. Definitely the longest recipe I've ever had to perfect. The most trials I've ever had to do before. There were some tears shed because I'm trying to, right now I'm getting ready for a TV segment tomorrow and got really stressed out. But we're here. And my sugar cookies are amazing. And I have a TV segment tomorrow. So I have my cookies here. Trying to get the plastic wrap off. They turned out super well. Look how perfect they are. But it was a long time coming. I'm getting ready for the TV spot now. But I guess moral of the story is this job is hard. It's like, it really tests you, but I love it. I love it, and I'm hoping that it's only the beginning.